Welcome. This video is designed to demonstrate the operation and features of the Protocol Touch colon insufflator. The Protocol Touch includes a range of features and benefits to enhance ease of use and patient comfort. Let's get familiar with the front panel controls and features. LCD display screen. Front panel LED display. Gas output connection. Power off icon. Main menu icon. The status bar. Gas supply indicator. Current pressure display. Final target pressure setting. Volume display. Volume reset icon. Vent and start. Here is a look at the rear panel controls and features. Gas input board for connecting CO2 supply tank or wall source. Universal AC line input device. Main power switch and fuse container. Compensator post to earth ground, also referred to as the potential compensator plug. Now let's get started setting up for a procedure. Open the valve on the CO2 supply tank approximately 1 turn. Turn on the machine using the on-off switch on the rear panel of the unit. The first screen is the main title screen, which stays up for about 5 seconds to do a self-diagnostic check. Touch the LCD screen to turn it on. This is the operating screen. The screen displays a range of treatment choices and settings. You can start a procedure from this screen, and you can also access the main menu. This screen displays a status bar indicating state of flow, ready to scan, vent, first target pressure, and gas supply. The gas supply indicator displays the current status of the gas supply source attached to the device by changing color to indicate if there is sufficient gas available. Located at the top of the screen is an icon that looks like a toolkit. Press this icon to get to the main menu screen offering 6 selections: language, gas source, gas volume, pressure settings, ready to scan, and defaults. Select the choices that best suit the needs of each procedure or physician preference. To select your language, press the language button and simply arrow up or down to preferred language. Then press the Save icon in the lower right corner of the screen to store the selected language. To select your gas source, press the Gas Source button and choose from cylinder or wall. Then press the Save icon to store the selection. Note, you can use the back icon on the lower left corner of the screen to exit this menu at any time. To select the gas volume, press the button and then adjust both the pause volume and the extension volume by pressing the arrows up or down. Press the Save icon to store the selection. Now select the pressure settings. Press the Pressure Settings button. Once in that section, you can select an adjustable first target pressure that the device will reach during the initial insufflation. Press the Save icon to store the selection. To select Ready to Scan, press that button. If the Ready to Scan feature is active, the device will make a determination of when the patient is ready to be scanned using an algorithm. If all criteria are met, a green Ready to Scan indicator will begin to flash in the status bar. When active, select the gas volume. The selected volume can either be set for one patient or all patients. If you want to retain the settings for one procedure, select the single patient icon at the bottom of the screen. After the procedure, the device will revert back to the previous settings. Press the Save icon in the lower right corner to store the selection. Insert the Protocol Touch patient administration set into the device through a unique connector on the bottom right of the machine. With your settings saved, you are now ready to scan. Push the Start button to begin the flow of CO2 to initiate insufflation. If the unit has begun insufflation, the flow of CO2 may be paused by pressing the orange Stop button to allow time for the colon to relax. Once the patient is comfortable, the flow can be restarted by pressing the green Resume button. Upon completion of the screening procedure, press the Stop button. Press the vent button to allow unit and coolant to deflate and reduce pressure to 0. Once the pressure has achieved 0, prepare to remove the administration set at the output port. Deflate the retention cuff on the administration set prior to removal. Disconnect the Protocol Touch administration set from the unit at the output port. Remove the administration set from the patient. Discard the entire Protocol Touch administration set in accordance with all national, state, and local regulations. Administration sets are intended for single use only. The procedure is then complete. Then power off and disconnect the line cord from the power outlet. It is recommended that the CO2 supply tank valve be fully closed when not in use. Please use your manual and quick start guide. Any questions? Contact your Bracco representative.